Hey, what's up? Alan here from Damn Good Reviews. So here I have the NULIPAM Rechargeable Tactical Flashlight. Comes with a rechargeable battery and a recharger for it. Another cool thing about this, so I have a wire connected to it. And this mount here is actually for airsoft guns. I tried it on a BB rifle that I have. It did not fit. And one thing I will say about this, while this is plenty bright, blind you right there, and last a long time. The battery does take a pretty long time to charge initially, but it does last long as well. So that's good. And then of course you can always take this off. Let me just unscrew this just in case we don't need that, because this is a on-off switch. So if you have it attached to the airsoft rifle or another rifle, you can use that. But generally, you have this connector right here, which is your normal on and off switch, supposedly waterproof as well, and then has the tactical. So it does feel like it is metal. There's some plastic components maybe on it as well, but it does have some weight to it. So that's a nice thing. The rechargeable option is also really nice, and I was told that if you need to get another battery, you could always do that, but they're expected to last a really long time. So if you're looking to add something to a rifle, or they say for airsoft, I mean, it's kind of cool. However, I could not get it to fit mine. My BB rifle, the area to put the accessories on is just way too small to fit that. The other problem with this is you would have to keep it on there because it's not quick release. It comes with an Allen wrench, and there's 4 little screws in there that you have to mount this with. It'd be nice if I just had a little pressure release to pop it down, because if you're in the field, there's no way to really take this off really quick, unless you just would unscrew this and take it right off the gun. But besides that, it's a really cool device. A couple little things here and there that might be nice for them to update and make work a little better. This is the charger pack that it comes with. Again, it took a pretty long time to get the initial charge going, although there was power in it, but it was definitely a few hours. A typical import power pack. It is really light. Feels like there's almost nothing in there at all, and also a light cable. So I would not recommend leaving this on for a very long time. It is recommended just for indoor use for charging it. But overall, pretty happy with how this light is working again, and you can focus it. See if you can see here. So we can go like that, or we go wider, focus it down, really narrow. So it is a very bright LED light to have. So if you just need a tactical flashlight that's good to keep around, or something to add on to an airsoft, or some other type of rifle, this may be an option. But again, it did not fit mine, so you may want to check on the site to see what the actual opening size there is. If I screw this all the way down, my guess, if I put my finger there, my guess it's about 1/2 inch, the smallest opening, and you can open it up to larger. So there it is. There's the NULIPAM Tactical Flashlight, again IP65, waterproof from what they say, but pretty cool little device to have. You can check it out over on Amazon. If you have this one or another one like this, let me know what you think, and let me know how it performs for you. I'm Alan from Damn Good Reviews. Thanks so much for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe. Click the little bell icon to stay up to date with us, and we'll see you soon.